In this video, we'll be looking at how we can create an app for your SharePoint list in less than 1 minute using PowerApps. So what we'll be doing, we'll be navigating to a dummy SharePoint list, and there we'll find out where is the option to create an automatic app in PowerApps, and then we'll see how we can save it, share it, and use it. So let's navigate to our development site. This is our SharePoint site. I'll just navigate to one of the test list. Let's say it's a tenants list. And here on the command bar, you will find some options. So you have to find or look for integrate option here. So if you don't see it here, either you zoom out a bit, you can find it, or you can click on this more options here and you can see integrate. So under the integrate, you will have more options like PowerApps, Power Automate. You can start a flow also from here for your list. There's option under PowerApps, you can create, there are multiple options here. You can either customize your form, the form, like if you click on new, this is a default SharePoint form. If you want to modify it or update it or customize it using PowerApps, you can do it from here. So integrate PowerApps, customize forms. Or if you want to create an independent app which can be accessible from browser or mobile app, PowerApps app, then you have to create a separate or independent app. So what you need to do is just click on create an app. Just provide a name to your app, tenant app, let's say tenants app, and just hit the create button. So this will automatically create an app for you with all the screens, like where you will see all the tenants. You will be having the screens to create new tenant, modify new tenant, you can search, filter. So this is, everything is ready. So you just have to share it with the users. Now this will help you to manage the content from the mobile device, like people who are, or the employees, users who are working outside the office and they want to manage everything from the mobile. So this is really a useful option to create the apps for those users, and they can manage the content which is stored in the SharePoint. They can manage it from the PowerApps app. So this should be there within a minute. Okay, it's already here, and you can see if I navigate here on the left side you can see there are 3 screens already created. Sorry. This is first screen where you can see all the, let me just run this preview. You can see these are the tenants. So this is the first screen where you will see all the records from your list. There are options here, sort. You can sort, this is now alphabetically sorted on the name or title field. You click on plus, this will open the new form. You can enter the data and click on submit, go back. You can select particular record, particular tenant. You can see the details of that tenant. You can delete it, edit it. You can see this. You'll be able to make the changes to the record also. So everything is already or automatically created. So now if you see here, this is browser screen, browse screen, which is first screen. Let me just zoom it a bit, hide it, F11. Now this is detail screen where you can see the controls are already added, the detail form is here, and this is end screen, edit screen, sorry, where you can edit your record. Now let me just, so what you need to do is just go to file, this is already saved. So now whoever wants to access this app, you just need to share it with those users and they should be able to see it on their mobile device. So you just have to enter the users here or the Active Directory group. If you have the group created, you can enter the group details here. So that's how you'll be able to share the app with all the users, whoever wants to use it. This is very straightforward. You just have to come to a SharePoint list, go to integrate option, go to PowerApps, create an app. It will create an app. You just have to share it with the users. That's all. Well, that's all in this video. In next video, what we'll do, we will create app from scratch and we'll try to connect to various data sources, for example, SharePoint list or a table in Excel file. Thank you so much for watching.